Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beef farm in Minecraft. First, gather your materials like cobblestone, a lava bucket, a water bucket, several hoppers, and at least 2 chests. Next, plan a compact area for your farm, ensuring enough space for both the cow chamber and the item collection system below. This setup will efficiently provide you with valuable resources. Begin by constructing a 3 by 3 breeding chamber, at least 2 blocks high, to contain your cows. Above this chamber, at the 2-block mark, place a single lava source block. This lava will cook the drops from the adult cows. Directly beneath the killing area, set up a series of hoppers leading into a double chest for automatic item collection. To automate, place a dispenser facing into the breeding chamber, loaded with a water bucket. This can be activated to push baby cows into the killing area when they grow. For the lava, a simple redstone clock connected to a sticky piston holding the lava block can be used to briefly expose the lava, killing only the adult cows and cooking their drops. Remember to regularly check your collection chests to retrieve the cooked beef and leather. If you need more resources, you can easily expand your farm by building additional breeding chambers and connecting them to the same collection system. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your endless supply of cooked beef.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.